Hi everyone, it's Kevin at KW's Disc Golf, and this is MVP's new Rover cart. Today we got a shipment of the new MVP Rover cart in. I don't know what to expect unboxing these, but I figured I'd do it live and we'll set it up and see what we got. I guess we'll just call it a quick look or whatever. We will open these, or at least one up, and see what we got here. Alright, we have a pole. So we'll set that there. Some styrofoam to take care of. It can go there. Here's we got axle. Got some rubber caps on the end to protect from puncture. Threaded ends on them. Set that there. Alright, we've got the handle. Nice grip on the handle. It's rubberized. Has a couple Allen screws so you can take off the brackets, I'm guessing, change the grip. It's all one piece on the, so we'll set that there. And we've got another pole. What else do we got here? Looks like we got a bunch of hardware in the box. We've got like some ring clamps. Set those there. These look like the axle knobs. Miscellaneous screws, nuts, more ring clamps. We got 3 different Allen wrenches, like spacers for the axle, and some screws, I'm guessing, for the drink holders. Here are the drink holders. Adjustable, spring-loaded. I believe these are about the same that you find on the Zuka carts. Alright. What else do we got here? We got a strap. I'm guessing this is the strap that's going to go on the cart and hold the bag in place or something to that effect. Alright, now we got the main bulk here. Let's pull this thing out. Actually, before we do that, let's set that there, and we'll just look at the tires real quick. Standard foam, hard foam tires. Just by sight, they appear to be about the same as the Zuka. I should wheel that one over here. Hold on a second. Nope. Alright, I had to just check. I got an easy cart sitting here. Had to check there. Not the same wheel pattern, not the same tire pattern. So they are different than the Zuka carts. Different wheel and different tire pattern, whatever. So that's the 3 of those. Alright, now the main frame here. Let's take this out. Alright, we've got another little packet. Upgraded drink holder hardware and upper pole cap. Alright, we'll have to see what's going on with that. But here we have the main frame. Very light. Let's move this out of the way here. Set this here. Probably can't see too well. But yeah, just like the picture showed, tubular. This rotates back here. We'll have to see what's going on with that. That rotates. Let's see what else. Just logoed Rover disc golf cart. It's not branded MVP or anything. It just says Rover. So for those that don't want to be brand specific, you can get a nice lightweight cart. So alright, I'm going to take a quick time out here, and I got a customer coming in. So okay, I'm back. Took care of the customers. So first things first, wheels, I'm guessing. So I'm going to grab these spacers out of the bag here. I haven't done this before on this cart. This is brand new, so who knows if I'm going to screw up or whatever, but put it in, let's see what happens. So, axles in, let's put the spacers on, we'll grab some tires. Come on. No matter which way you hold it, it slides. There we go. Alright, there's that. Where's my caps? There's my caps. So we'll just kind of put a cap on there. And we'll go to the other side. There's the other wheel. Get a screwdriver to hold that bushing up. There it is. Better get it. There we go. Screw that on. Tighten those down. And we've got wheels. There's that. Now these caps do have a threaded set screw. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's over here, but you probably can't see it on camera. So you can take one of the Allen wrenches that's supplied and tighten those down. Alright, so what else we got here? Alright, so we've got the T ring clamps, and they are going to go on back here. I'm guessing one here and one here. Alright, let's see what kind of hardware we got for those. We got the Allen head, flat head going on there. So we're just going to stick these through here. And came with some nuts. Did not prepare with wrenches. I think I have an adjustable down here. My toolbox is in the garage. The adjustable might work. Which Allen fits this? The large Allen. Let me get my adjustable. Alright, there we go. There's one. I don't know if I'm not an artist with a camera, so you have to bear with me. Alright, then the second one is going to go here. Alright, now we've got those on. So then let's go with maybe this one. Tighten those down. Might be too far zoomed in? I don't know. I think now that we do the handle, make a little move down here. Maybe we'll move down. And I'm guessing this one. Probably put this. I need to rotate this probably so the button adjusters are in the back. Like that. This one there, and then the top one there. Alright, that's it. The cart is, well, I got drink holders. Alright, well, might as well get those on while we're here. I may just stop the video and click and they're on. Standard Phillips. Oh, what did the this one bag? Upgraded drink holder hardware. Got long screws with washers and nuts. So maybe we'll see. How these line up here. Yeah, they're just through screws. The other ones are metal tapping screws, and I'm assuming that those might be tearing out the metal a little too much or something. Maybe that's why they went this route. But these through screws and nuts and washers, I'm not going to tighten them down. Okay, now we got drink holders. Come on. There we go. So I'll go through and tighten those down. New top cap, it says. New top cap for up here. Not sure what's wrong with this one. The one that comes on it only has 2 rings. The new one's got 3, so it might stay in better. Let's put that in there, see what happens. It goes in tight. Oh yeah, there we go. So we got the new top cap in, which is that piece right there. That's definitely way tighter than this. This came out with my fingers really easy. So there we have the Rover cart. We also have these 2 ring clamps, and these are going to go on the pole, like at each joint, so that if you want to, instead of using the button, you want to set this to wherever you want, so you use a ring clamp so the handle can be sideways or whatever. So we'll set those aside for now. Alright, rolls good. I think what we need to do now is figure out the strap. Okay, so we weren't steady on the box, so we're going to go on the ground. And the first thing we're going to do, I've got a Voyager Pro right here. We're going to drop that right in. There's plenty of room. Plenty of room side to side. Front to back, there's probably 1 inch, maybe more, you could cram in there. So what I'm guessing we would do is, we're going to take this pole out here. My awesome camera skills. Take the pole out, and we're going to put the handle over the pole. Put the pole back in. And really, I mean, your bag's not going anywhere with the handle through the pole, but it is still kind of loose. So we've got the strap. Not exactly sure how the strap's going to go. Tuck our straps, the bag straps in here. And don't mind the drink holders here. I did not tighten them down yet. So we've got a strap. guessing we're going to go through and then maybe up and over the handle there. I don't know. I'm not quite sure how the strap works. I'll have to do some investigating on that. But in the meantime, there's that. So now what I want to do is grab some different bags. I don't have, well, I do have a few. I got a lot of small bags in. I do have a couple large bags. So let's get a Latitude Luxury bag here. Alright, big beast of a bag, Latitude Luxury. Put the straps in. And we're in a pretty tight squeeze with the Latitude Luxury. Okay, now we're in. Yep, we're in now. So really, all your pockets, even the side pocket is easily accessible. There's plenty of room side to side to get in there. What about the front? The front's pinched a little bit down here when we tucked it in, but so yeah, I think something that would be in the front pocket that would go deep in there would be pinched off. So you might want to take everything out of that and then put the bag in and then put stuff in there. But yeah, Latitude Luxuries, good to go. And straps there. How about a DD Ranger? No problem at all. A DD Ranger, plenty of room, 4.5 to side, no problem. Prodigy VP3. Straps tucked in there. No problem. Definitely 4.5 are getting a little tight in here. Not as tight as the Latitude Luxury, but side to side's good. I can get in this pocket, no problem. So that's not a big deal. I mean, if all those fit, then the Commander shouldn't be a big deal. In theory, I guess. So there we go. Commander's in there. Front to back is front to back is definitely tight. But there's nothing here on the Commander. Oh, hey, maybe I didn't have her in there. Let's get her in there. Is it in there? See if I can feel the tolerances. Oh yeah, it's got big feet on the bottom, so that's in there. Definitely plenty of room for the pockets on the side. 4.5 are tight. What else do I got? I got lots of small bags, which aren't a big deal. Alright, here's the only other large bag I have in stock here. And there is the Superhero from Innova. Yeah, no problem at all. Superhero's in there. And you know what? I have a my own personal AX3 or AX15 grip bag. I'm gonna go grab that. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Had to run out and get my setup. There's my bag, AX15. Let's put her in there. My side pockets are full of junk. Oh yeah. No problem. That's in there. So let's strap this up. And get the strap over that. Check some pockets here. Oh yeah, I can reach all the way down there. Got my earmuffs that never leave the bag for I don't know what reason. Need them for winter though. Side pockets are good. Plenty of room to work around. I'm definitely going to be trying out the Voyager Pro again. I had V1 for a while, but I wasn't a giant fan for. Main reason was the weight of it, but this new one definitely feels lighter. But yeah, there's my setup. And yeah, lots of gyro. Skullboy Adams. So that's it. I guess that's all I got. Rover cart, lightweight, definitely maneuvers nice and easy. Pretty straightforward to put it together. No directions come with it, but I still got some tightening up. I got to tighten up the drink holders and put the ring clamps on the pole here, just in case you want to have the handle go sideways or whatever. Now that I'm not on camera, yeah. I guess that's about all I had to say about that. I just wanted to put it together and check out some bags on it and give you guys a first take on it. And shameless plug, if you want to get one, kwsdiscgolf.com. We have them in stock. If you're in the area, you can stop by here, and I've got 4 in stock, or I could just have one shipped to you. So I guess that's all I got. See you.